Smith Street was named after Sir Cecil Clementi Smith, governor of the Straits Settlements from 1887 to 1893. Smith Street was once known as Hei Yuan Kai, Theater Street, because it housed an opera house that attracted large crowds for traditional Chinese opera performances. These restored traditional shophouses showcase Singapore's blend of Chinese, Malay, and British colonial architectural styles. Many of these shophouses feature windows grouped in pairs, threes, or fives, which align with traditional Chinese beliefs in auspicious numbers. The number 2 symbolizes balance, while 5 represents the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water that are central to Chinese cosmology. The street now offers a wide variety of dining options, from traditional Singaporean hawker food to mainland Chinese, Japanese, Vietnamese, and other Southeast Asian food. This pink building is Nanyang Old Coffee. It offers a nostalgic glimpse into Singapore's traditional coffee culture. It uses coffee roasting practices of the 1940s. Experience a quintessential Singaporean breakfast by pairing the strong, aromatic kopi, coffee, with kaya toast, which is toasted bread spread with kaya, a sweet coconut jam made from coconut milk, eggs, sugar, and flavored with pandan leaves. This statue is a representation of Guanyin, the bodhisattva of compassion in East Asian Buddhism. This is Sago Street, where late 19th and early 20th century Chinese immigrants came to die. Find out more about this interesting historical street in the next video. This is the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and Museum. The temple's architecture is inspired by the Tang dynasty and traditional Buddhist design. Check out the sacred Buddha Tooth relic in a magnificent golden stupa on the 4th floor. This is a statue of a Neo-Guardian, a deity commonly found at the entrances of Buddhist temples, symbolizing protection from evil spirits and safeguarding the temple's sacred spaces.